Hello everyone, I am Shashank from Sapthagiri Pure College and my TED topic is conserving birds. What is conserving birds? Do you actually need to conserve birds and how to conserve birds? Let's see. Birds are the beauty of our nature. Without a bird, a tree does not have an eye-catching sense. The birds are the oviparous animals which are warm-blooded creatures and they symbolize freedom and refreshment to us. Let's see some of the speciality of birds. Birds are the only ones to have feathers, have their own feathers, and they have unique beaks and feet. Birds are the good indicators of our environment where the vulture and crows clean up the environment by eating dead and decay organisms. They actually live in groups all the time. Some uses of birds for humans. They are the good source of fertilizers and food as we eat egg and meat. And they balances ecosystem by dispersing seeds and pollinating the flowers and controlling the pests. The major problems faced by birds in nowadays are they are not finding a good shelter or they are not finding a good place to build their shelter, and there is a vast scarcity for nutrient food for them. Due to the air pollution and water pollution, the water is contaminating everywhere and the bird is not getting a purified water. Due to industrialization and urbanization, the deforestation is taking place everywhere and the birds are not getting the trees for their jobs. Some pre-known solutions that we actually known to conserve birds are afforestation and stop polluting the air and water. But what we can an individual do? The survey says that in 2009 there were 1,227 extinct birds, but according to the survey of 2018, there are around 1,469 birds are threatening to extinction. Why this has increased a lot? Around 200 bird species are in a wait for extinction in this year. So, there is a comparison that human beings are around 7.7 billion in numbers, whereas the birds are around 300 to 400 billion. So, every individual has a response to look after at least 40 to 50 birds. It's a responsibility of a human to conserve birds. So let's see the ideas of birds to conserve individually. How can we as an individual conserve birds? Idea number 1. Keeping a bowl of water on your rooftop does not matter you much, but it matters the life of bird. The birds are not getting a purified water, so it could be a good source for them. Keeping some grains on your rooftop can attract birds to your home and it will be a good source for nutrient food. The another idea is that keeping the grains inside a bowl like this, it is called the seedboard. The seed bowl feeder will be a good feeding for birds where they can actually come and eat whenever they want and enjoy the nutrient food. Idea number 4 is many birds nowadays in urban areas can't build their nests everywhere. So keep some homemade bird houses in your home to attract birds and protect the birds. Idea number 5. In urban areas, every individual can see the parks. Even they have not seen forest or agriculture areas, they have seen the parks. Nowadays the park is becoming very concreted and it's full of cement. And the plants in the parks are very attractive but not useful for birds. So let's plant the flowering and fruiting saplings in the parks and make it more beautiful than before. Idea number 6 is not only in parks but make sure you plant the flowering or fruit saplings in front of your home instead of attractive plants. Another idea is that seedboard. When we go to hilly areas or the forest areas, we are seeing that the forest is reducing and the chance is that we can't go there and plant the saplings. So collect the native plants, seeds and make it as a seed ball. The ball that you make, the seed ball must consist a good manure and make it as a small balls and throw it by the nearer areas where that ball will nutrients the sapling and it will grow into a tree.